Seasonal deep cleaning has lied to you. Every year we're told this is the moment to reset our lives, and somehow people end up cleaning things that have never caused them a single problem. Today we're fixing that. What matters and what is a complete waste of your precious time on earth. First, let's establish the rule. If cleaning it won't change how your house feels, it does not deserve seasonal effort. Now let's start with what actually matters. Air vents. Yes, they're quietly distributing dust like it's their side hustle. If your house feels stuffy, tired, or vaguely dramatic, this is why. Seasonal cleaning these immediately upgrades the vibe of your entire home. It's not visible, it's powerful. Next, windows. Not because they're dirty, but because sunlight exposes lies. The moment light comes in properly, your house feels cleaner without doing anything else. Seasonal window cleaning is lazy brilliance. Now let's talk about the fridge purge. Not daily wiping, a seasonal reckoning. Remove everything, judge all of it. Throw away the item you've been emotionally supporting for months. Your fridge should not be a museum. Next thing that matters, closets. Not color coding, reality. Seasonal cleaning means removing anything that doesn't fit, doesn't work, or makes you sigh when you put it on. If it requires one day, it does not belong here. Now the mattress. Not the sheets, the mattress. Flip it, rotate it, refresh it. You spend a third of your life there. Seasonal attention is not optional. Next, under large furniture. This is where dust goes when it wants privacy. Seasonal cleaning under beds and couches instantly makes your house feel lighter, emotionally and physically. Now let's pivot to what does not matter, and I need you to hear this. Reorganizing things you already use daily. If you know where it is and it works, stop touching it. Seasonal cleaning is not an excuse to reinvent the drawer system. Next thing that doesn't matter, decorative items no one touches. If it sits there peacefully and gathers minimal dust, congratulations, it has earned its freedom. Now let's talk about scrubbing walls. Unless there are actually marks, leave them alone. This is not a crime scene. Seasonal deep cleaning is not about punishing your house. Another thing people waste time on, perfecting storage areas you don't open. If it's closed and not causing stress, stop opening portals. Now back to what matters. Seasonal clothing swaps, not organizing, swapping. If it's winter, summer clothes leave. If it's summer, winter coats disappear. Out of sight, out of chaos. Next, entryway reset. Shoes, bags, jackets. This is where clutter sneaks in daily. Seasonal cleaning here prevents your house from immediately undoing your work. Final thing that matters most, stopping early. Seasonal deep cleaning is successful when you quit before you're exhausted. That's how it actually lasts. Here's the truth. Seasonal deep cleaning isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things and ignoring the rest with confidence. If this saved you time, energy, or your sanity, subscribe, because we are not over cleaning, overthinking, or falling for fake productivity anymore. Like the video, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.